Oh, hello everyone. I'm just finishing off this mosaic. It's a lobster, as I think you can see if I just move everything. There it is. Great use of the frit on the lobster shell. I was asked to make a lobster by Sardinia, the restaurant that represents me here in Broadstairs, and it wasn't really on my radar. I was in the middle of making peacocks and other things. So I started by making a lobster claw, which goes there. And then I thought, well, that's not going to show up so well. So I made the whole lobster much darker in this really Prussian blue, which I'm really enjoying much more. I was struggling with the background until I remembered this piece, an octopus, which curiously, by coincidence, is in Sardinia, the original mosaic. And I created a fantasy world. So even though the lobster in this is quite realistic, what moved it for me and what made me very excited about it was when I realised that I could put him in this fantasy world. And that's what we've done. I tried to get a vignette where it's light, like a pin on camera, you know, where it's like light in the middle, getting darker as it goes out. And it didn't work, so I had to rip a load off and change it and stick to this beautiful Tiffany blue. It's actually in 3 shades, although it just looks flat, probably in reproduction. It's not. Anyway, there he is. He's nearly ready, and I'm nearly pleased. So there we go.